It's 460.
400, what? 460?
Yeah.
Okay, 460 megabyte per second or kilobyte per second?
Let me see. I'll send you a screenshot.
Yes. They do funny shit here with my AP, with my.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Oh man.
How do I? Oh, browse photos. I'll send a screenshot to the chat.
Okay, I look.
That's on my phone. I got TV playing.
Oh wow,
playing.
that's very fast. Nice. That's very cool. It's a very strong connection. 461 megabyte per second.
And then I think upload is 160.
What the fuck? It's very fast connection. In Germany, we don't have such strong connections. I think when you have a fiber connection, then you can have also something like this. But for this connection, you pay here. That's much expensive. Much expensive here. You pay maybe 80, 90 euro. I think it's very expensive.
It's 150 upload.
Oh, nice. That's very cool.
410 download.
Very good connection for streaming.
It is, isn't it?
Very cool.
No, I don't know here because I rent this house to my